expert.
What's up, this is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the modem connector cable from a Dell Latitude E6520. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Slide release latches and remove the battery. Now unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unscrew and remove access door. Now unplug and loosen antenna cables. Then unscrew bracket and remove modem connector cable. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.